Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Samsara AG51 unpowered asset gateway tracker and you need to change or replace the batteries in it. Now this is made so that just the end user can easily replace the batteries. All you need is 3 off-the-shelf AA batteries. You just need lithium batteries, so they're L91s or lithium AA batteries. If you don't have those batteries, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them off of Amazon for just a few bucks, and the shipping is free. But anyways, only thing else you need is you're going to need a screwdriver, like a Phillips head screwdriver, to remove these 4 screws, and then something to pry this open, because once the screw's out, you're going to have to just pop this back off. So basically, you're going to come in, you're going to remove these 4 screws, pop the back off, and then you're going to see this inside that looks like this with this battery compartment in here. Just take the old batteries out, or if you're putting the new batteries in, just go ahead and put the new batteries back in, just making sure you follow the polarity of plus on top, minus on top, plus on top. Once that happens, we can just put the back on. Just make sure you'll see these slots. It's easy if you just kind of pop it back in this slot right here. Will guide you to put the back on. Put it down, put the screws, screw the screws back in, and you're done. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.